People that don't sleep well every night get sick, and they get sick fast. Our body needs sleep to regenerate its cells, its nerve function, its metabolic rate. And if you're not sleeping well, you might be seeing you're overweight, you have liquid retention, you have poor memory skills, or even you might be falling into diseases that you never thought possible would arrive. But how can you sleep quick and sleep with quality every single night? Make sure that your body stays healthy without any disease in the future. So in today's video, I'm going to reveal some of the best tips and practices you can use to fall asleep quick and make sure that it's quality sleep every single night. Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandevar.com. In this channel, as a conventional doctor, treating patients through natural medicine before recurring to the use of pharmaceutical drugs. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and press that bell down below to see notifications and be the first one to watch a new video. If you need an online appointment or quality supplements for your health and your system, look for them at drlandevar.com. And stay tuned in this video, make sure to tips and video links related to this topic. Sleep is extremely important for our metabolic rate, for our system, for our health overall. If you're not sleeping well every night, you might be seeing new health problems start to arise. Maybe sometimes mood swings, difficulty staying concentrated, sometimes even being overweight can be an effect of not being able to sleep every night. Now, there's a difference between sleeping, you can sleep 8-10 hours a day, but if you're not having quality sleep, it doesn't really make up for the lack of the hours you are trying to accomplish. You have to consider that if the body doesn't have quality sleep, it is unable to regenerate its cells, its nerve cells, its tissues, and all the functions that have to do with hormonal balance and triggering the effect of the good metabolic rate you need is obviously not going to function properly. But how can you sleep well? How can you sleep fast every night and make sure that this sleep is regenerating your cells so that you make sure that you're not falling into disease without noticing that it's because of your sleep cycle? So in today's video, I'm going to reveal some of the best tips and practices you can follow to make sure that you sleep fast and you have quality sleep. Number 1, eliminate constipation. A lot of people don't make that connection and don't really understand why constipation is so important in sleep and making sure your cells can regenerate every single day. Not going to the bathroom actually has a very strong relationship with insomnia. There are studies that have been published noting that 60% of people that suffer from insomnia also suffer from constipation. And there is a strong relationship between not being able to go to the bathroom and being stressed out or being someone that cannot sleep every night. Quick or not quick, it doesn't matter. Not being able to regenerate our cells. Now, if you pay close attention, people that suffer from constipation also have a lack of magnesium. They have intoxication with all that feces that is just inside, not being able to escape. And that obviously is going to generate a cascade of changes inside our bodies with respect to toxins and the accumulation of substances that will not be obviously favorable to nerve cells that are trying to relax every night. Believe it or not, I've seen how patients get better in their sleep quality when they go to the bathroom, when they eliminate everything they have to let out every single day instead of 2 or 3 days at a time. That is not something you want. If you need something natural that can help you with constipation and relieving your digestion to make sure that this doesn't affect your sleep cycle, very important. Some people don't actually understand how greatly important this is. Look for Magnezide, Laxiprune, and Metathyroid from Fineland at drlandevar.com. Number 2, you need to fix your thyroid. People that suffer from insomnia or are not being able to have that quality sleep when they go to bed every night may have a thyroid issue. Our thyroid is a gland that we have right here in the middle of our middle part of our neck that produces 2 very important hormones. Hormones that will activate the sleep-wake cycle in our bodies and our metabolic rate. If we do not have our thyroid well activated, you will not be able to sleep well. You will have insomnia problems, you will have quality sleep problems, or you might even sleep every day, but you wake up tired and it's not even regenerating and having that effect on your body. You don't feel satisfied with the sleep you get. So fix your thyroid. you might want to get a lab, and sometimes it might not even show up in a lab because it's still so small of a change that a supplement can fix it without being, having too much of a big deal done about it. If you need something natural for this purpose for your thyroid to support that thyroid health and make sure that it activates your sleep-wake cycle so you can sleep every night and see that regenerating sleep you want, to make sure that you sleep, quality sleep every single night, look for Thyroid Green Shot, which will actually provide also antioxidants and everything your body needs, and Magnezide from Fineland at drlandivar.com. Number 3, you need to exercise. People don't like to listen to someone that says that they need to exercise because, we want to be lazy. We all want that. We all want to be lazy and have that sedentary lifestyle. And the truth is that if you're not exercising, if you don't have that physical activity, your body is not, let's say, using up its energy that is being accumulated. How can you expect to sleep well every night if you're not burning everything you are consuming? Carbohydrates, the food you eat, everything that you're turning into energy has to be used up in some way. And obviously, physical exercise really, really helps with sleep. So if you're not sleeping well, if you're, on the couch every night before going to bed, you're watching TV and you still go to bed and you don't actually see that regeneration, it might be because you need exercise. It might be because you need some physical activity. If you need something natural for this purpose to make sure you have all the energy you need to exercise every day, which is extremely important. Remember that, not just for sleep, but for every single function in your body. Look for Multivitamin, Appleizer, and Green Shot from Fineland at drlandivar.com. Number 4, take supplements that will help fix your nerves so that you can rest every night. A lot of people today, I'd say millions and millions of people, have damaged nerves. Maybe due to insomnia, maybe due to, anxiety, panic attacks. There are all sorts of causes, traumas, stress. You might not even think you have nerve damage, and it's just because of age. It might be due because of, many things in life. Now, if you're not sleeping well, if you are suffering from insomnia, if you have a sleeping disorder of any kind, now you think you need better sleep, it doesn't matter. Fix your nerves or help your body fix your nerves. They might need vitamins, they might need minerals, they might need melatonin. They might need hormones, they might need whatever it takes to fix the nerves. And by the way, they won't fix from one day to the next. It will take maybe a month, 2 or 3 or a year, but you will see that quality sleep. I suggest you start taking something like melatonin or a supplement made to support that healthy nerve function, made for your body to help repair nerves that might be damaged, like Neuromatrix from Fineland. Excellent, by the way. Helps fix nerves really fast, and actually you can see the difference. If you need something natural for this purpose to make sure that your body can actually fall asleep and regenerate every night, look for melatonin, Neuromatrix, Passion Calm, and 5-HTP from Fineland at drlandivar.com. And help out the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you have any questions, leave your comments down below and I'll be happy to assist you. If you need quality supplements for your disease or an online appointment, visit drlandivar.com and check out these other videos to stop information that might prevent a serious health condition in the future. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you soon.